Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply change your language preference in character.ai app. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, scrolling through your homepage, all you need to do is open up character.ai. Once you tap it open, it will take few seconds to boot itself up. Once it's fully booted, it will redirect you to this kind of interface. Now you need to click on the profile. So once you're in this kind of page, you need to select settings. In settings, you can see this kind of option. You need to click on it. Once you click it open, you can see a drop down menu with several of language options. Now you can select any one of your preferred languages. Click the back button. Now everything will come according to your preferred language. So as you can check it, now you're free to select any language you like in your character.ai. So this is how you change language in character.ai. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.